So right here towards the front of the microwave, these are the only two bolts you have to remove. This one here, and on the other side, right here. And that's what you're gonna look for when you're measuring stuff and making sure that you have something solid to put the new bolts in. So this part and installing the new microwave is probably where you might wanna have some help, but I don't have any friends, so I'm gonna do it by myself. So I'm gonna put some pressure here to make sure that it doesn't come tumbling down, and I'm gonna remove those bolts. I'm just gonna leave it up like that so I can get off the ladder. Okay, holding pressure, move the ladder, and take them out the rest of the way. Make sure they're out. And now I'm gonna tip the front down. And that came right off of the vent. And duct taped. So now, about here, I can take this cord out, and then I'm gonna lift the back off of the bracket. Just like that. Now we're gonna take the old bracket out. They used drywall screws, which I wouldn't recommend, not the best thing. And then we have toggle bolts. There's one right here, take that out. Probably gonna have to pull the bracket, so let's do this one first. Those are basically one-time use. Okay,